This video demonstrates how to operate the PAR 6200 calorimeter in the Experimental Design 1 laboratory. Bomb calorimetry is a method by which the heat of combustion of a substance can be determined. First, prepare the samples to be combusted in the bomb calorimeter. Each sample must be approximately 1 gram. Place a plastic weighboat on a balance and tare the balance. Then place a sample on the plastic weighboat and record the exact mass of the sample. Label the plastic weighboat with the mass of the sample. Each sample must be a single square piece and must be cut so that it fits into the cup of the staging platform of the bomb. Then, cut pieces of fuse wire that are approximately 10 centimeters long. Place the cut wires into a single plastic bag. Next, place the bucket of the bomb calorimeter on the balance and tare the balance. Measure approximately 2,000 grams of DI water into the bucket. Use a pitcher to dispense the majority of the 2,000 grams of DI water into the bucket. When the mass is approaching 2,000 grams, use a bottle to dispense the water so that better precision is achieved. Record the exact mass of water. Open the chamber of the calorimeter and place the water bucket in the calorimeter. Ensure that the 3 raised surfaces on the bottom of the calorimeter line up with the 3 indents on the bottom of the bucket. The next step in the procedure is to assemble the bomb. Place a sample in the sample bucket of the staging platform of the bomb. Attach a piece of fuse wire to the metal arms of the sample bucket by lifting the clamps, feeding the wire through the holes, and lowering the clamps on top of the wire. Form the middle of the wire into a U shape and position the wire so that it is in close proximity to the sample, but not in direct contact with it. The shape of the wire and the distance from the sample are crucial to the combustion of the sample in the bomb calorimeter. Now, place the staging platform in the metal bomb. Wet the rubber O-ring of the bomb with DI water and push the platform into the metal bomb. Screw on the cap tightly and then unscrew it slightly so that the staging platform can be easily removed once the trial is complete. Close the gas release valve by tightening the screw on the top of the bomb. Once the bomb has been properly assembled, the bomb must be pressurized. Wet the O-ring of the oxygen hose with DI water so that it can be easily removed once the bomb is pressurized. Slide the connector of the oxygen hose through the oxygen inlet valve of the bomb. To pressurize the bomb, turn the black knob of the oxygen tank slightly to the left and monitor the pressure of the bomb using the gauge on the oxygen tank. Pressurize the bomb to approximately 30 atm and turn the knob to the right. The pressure should not exceed 40 atm. If the pressure does exceed 40 atm, the bomb must be depressurized using the gas release valve. Then the bomb may be pressurized again. Release residual oxygen by opening the valve on the oxygen tank. Remove the oxygen hose connector from the bomb. Now the bomb must be transferred to the calorimeter. Attach the clamps to the bomb by squeezing the clamps and inserting the ends of the clamps into the holes on either side of the screw cap of the bomb. Place your finger in the top circle of the clamps to transfer the bomb. Do not hold the clamps by their sides while transporting the bomb, or the bomb will be released from the clamps and fall. Remove the clamps once the bomb is submerged in the water bucket and shake off any drops of water on the clamps back into the bucket. Ensure that no bubbles emerge from the bomb once it has been submerged. If bubbles are emerging from the bomb, remove the bomb from the water bucket, depressurize the bomb, and disassemble the bomb. Then the bomb must be assembled and pressurized again. Attach the ignition leads to the top of the bomb. Shake any water from your fingers back into the bucket. Then, close the chamber of the calorimeter. Now, begin the trial by first entering some information on the screen of the calorimeter. Press the start button on the screen of the calorimeter. Enter the bomb ID, which is written in Sharpie on the side of each bomb. Enter the mass of the sample, which was written on the weighboat for each sample. The calorimeter sounds 3 beeps when initial equilibrium has been attained. The apparatus fires the bomb immediately following these 3 beeps. Equilibrium should be attained between the 12 and 10-minute marks. The apparatus will terminate a trial with the sound of 1 beep, in which case the entire trial must be restarted. After the machine sounds the 3 beeps, record the bucket temperature provided on the screen of the calorimeter. Then record the bucket temperature at each time interval for the duration of the trial. The apparatus signals the end of a trial by sounding 1 beep. After the machine sounds 1 beep, record the bucket temperature. The bucket temperature should have increased throughout the trial. Once the trial is over, open the calorimeter, remove the ignition leads from the bomb, transfer the bomb out of the water bucket and onto the table, depressurize the bomb by opening the gas release valve on the top of the bomb slowly until there is no more hissing from the bomb, unscrew the cap of the bomb and remove the staging platform, extract the fuse wire from the staging platform and record its length, and remove the water bucket from the calorimeter. The bucket may be placed directly onto the previously tiered balance and refilled to 2,000 grams using a bottle of DI water until 5 consecutive trials have been completed. After 5 consecutive trials, the water from the bucket must be dumped into the sink and the bucket must be refilled with 2,000 grams of fresh DI water.